and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to mark as pending on Facebook Marketplace. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to mark a listing as pending on Facebook Marketplace, all you need to do is open your Facebook and go to your Marketplace section. Once you are here, you need to simply navigate to the listings. So once you have tapped on your profile, you can see your listings right over there. So if you have any listing there, you need to find the specific item you want to mark as pending. So after this, you need to tap or click on the options menu associated with the listing. Now choose the mark as pending option from the list, and then the list will now be marked as pending and potential buyers will see that the sale is pending. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.